This is WRAG News Tiger Life Storm Weather Tracker Report of the storms and tornadoes and storms. Welcome back. This is Arlington High School. WRAG AHS Tiger Life Arlington High School. Today we'll do a report about severe thunderstorm warning Saturday night. Because people captured a lot of storms about it. So, deputies said I've seen a lot of strong winds and anything like that. The school resource deputies. Let's get this news report starting. Have you heard the severe thunderstorm at Saturday night?
Well, actually, we were actually in it out there in the storm. We were working the prom for Arlington High School, and the winds were high, and the rain was coming down hard, and it was a scary sight.
I was inside of the facility, but I saw all the wind and the rain coming.
Have you seen any strong winds or anything like that?
Yeah, actually, it kind of caught me off guard. It was a nice day all day. The sun was out. I attended a baseball game earlier that day, and later on I heard some winds blowing. It kind of scared me, and I came out and I looked, and the wind blew me back in the building.
I just saw it real windy when I was on the inside.
Have you found anywhere to take shelter?
Well, actually, a lot of the kids that were there, young people, they were having fun, and a lot of them just ran in, and we told them, come on in, take shelter. We're going to make sure everybody's safe.
Yeah, I just told them to keep dancing.
Okay. Have you seen anything? Have you seen anything? Any buildings destroyed?
No, thankfully. No buildings were destroyed. No property was damaged. The young people did have fun. They enjoyed themselves and had a good time.
I didn't see any property damage.
Have you found any buildings to take shelter in?
Well, we were actually in the Esplanade, and everybody pretty much took shelter. They had food, music, and had a good time.
Like Lee said, we just told them to come on in, whoever's outside, and just keep on dancing.
Have you listened to any alert messages on the radio or on the TV?
I didn't get a chance to. No, sir. I did not. I didn't get a chance to. The storm just kind of caught me off guard unexpectedly, and we just had to move fast.
I didn't get any messages.
Have you seen any power outages on your radar?
I did not. Like I said, I didn't even check the radar. Unexpectedly, it hit me. This is your weatherman right here. He normally keeps us up. Dollar Bills right here. He keeps us up with the weather and what's going on. So, it's your best man for the job right here.
I'll keep you up on the weather, but not the power.
Have you seen any flying debris going around with a tornado?
Oh yes, sir. Saw a lot of debris flying around. Tree limbs fell with the high winds being so strong. Window panes were broken, not at the Esplanade, but elsewhere I heard, yeah.
I saw some twigs being broke, but that's about it.
Actually, let me add something. When I got home, my fence had been broken. The wind was just that strong where the high winds broke my fence, and I just got a new fence, and it broke it.
Have you seen a tornado that close?
I have not. Thankfully, I haven't seen one close, but I have experienced one some years ago. I did experience one.
I've never seen a tornado, just on TV.
Okay. Have you seen any trees or roofs or anything destroyed?
Oh yeah, big time. A lot of trees I've seen fall. A lot of leaves, a lot of trees, debris, a lot of debris. Yes, sir.
I went and looked at damage after a tornado. Some houses tore up, trees, some cars, but that's about all I've seen.
Okay, so have you seen any airbags deployed in their vehicles?
I have not. Thankfully, I heard it's not a good feeling, not a good sight. So hopefully I never will.
What was your question, Chris?
This is a question about severe thunderstorm warning at the Saturday night. So have you heard the sirens are going off when there's a severe thunderstorm warning?
Yes. Whenever you hear those sirens, I always take them serious because you just never know.
Hey, Coach Milton, I'll be back. I'm going to go check on something.
What Lee said.
Okay, that's all the question.
Thank you, sir.
Have you heard the severe thunderstorm warning at the Saturday night?
Yes, I did.
I slept through it.
Have you heard the sirens are going off when there's a severe thunderstorm warning or lightning hits it?
Sometimes if there's like a tornado possibly coming.
Yes, sometimes in a tornado coming. When a tornado's coming.
All right. Have you asked a sheriff's department, police department, or a fire department when there's a severe thunderstorm warning?
I haven't. No.
I haven't either. I just call when it's an emergency and I need something.
Okay. Have you seen the thunderclouds or the tornadoes or something like that?
Not lately. I haven't seen any funnel clouds or any storms like that.
I haven't either.
Okay. Have you heard? Have you seen anything destroyed or anything like that?
No, but I heard about some people who had some things destroyed.
I saw some trees down and some buildings messed up towards Covington.
That's good. Have you seen any roofs or anything destroyed like that?
I have not.
I saw some shingles coming off.
Have you seen anything, windows and vehicles damaged?
No, I haven't.
Yes, but I don't know if it's from the storm damage or people breaking in cars.
Okay. Have you learned in the weather during the storm?
Which storm?
Severe thunderstorm warning.
From Saturday?
Yes.
I was asleep. I'm sorry.
Okay. Have you captured on the footage anything like that?
No, sir.
No, sir, but my brother probably did.
That's what I'm trying to do. So, have you asked Memphis police about that?
No, not yet, but I will, okay? Okay.
No, sir.
That's all the question.
Thanks,
Thank you so much for watching the news today. You know what? That concludes the news for today. So long. Peace out.